This production line, manufactured with Cemax Engineering quality, has been specially designed and successfully commissioned for Honduras, located in South America. With over 30 years of rollforming experience, Cemax exports to more than 45 countries worldwide and provides high-tech production lines for various industries. In every project, Cemax develops customized solutions based on customer needs, focusing on high precision, long service life, and maximum efficiency. This production line includes hydraulic coil loader, Ton Double Decoiler, 16-station Rollforming system, forming capacity up to 2 mm sheet thickness, Servo flying cut technology. With a production speed of up to 100 meters per minute, it ensures high capacity and uninterrupted production. This system delivers superior precision in C-profile production, making it an ideal solution for manufacturers aiming for maximum quality with minimum waste. Cemax Engineering manufactures a wide range of rollforming solutions, including suspended ceiling profiles, drywall systems, roof trapezoid lines, prefabricated and light steel structure profiles. With advanced automation systems, high-quality components, and strong engineering expertise, Cemax delivers reliable and sustainable production solutions in every project. Cemax Engineering, technology powered by experience.